Question was, why did I choose the Scrum.org track rather than the Scrum Alliance track? And the initial choice was kind of not a choice at all. I kind of fell into the Scrum.org track right around the time that Ken left, separated from Scrum Alliance, and founded Scrum.org. A few months after that, I participated in training from Richard Hundhausen, who created the Professional Scrum Developer, which is now the Applying Professional Scrum with Software Development. I participated in a beta for his class in Australia, so I flew down to Australia to do that. I became the idea was to become a professional Scrum trainer with Scrum.org, and it was funded by my boss at the time, Adam Cogan. So I can blame Adam for that choice there. But I think the reason I've stayed with Scrum.org is because of a business ethos. Like, I don't like working with organizations that I feel, and this is very personal, I feel don't respect the topic, respect the people, respect the customer. And I feel like Scrum.org do a very good job of that. I feel like this idea that you as the customer, right, you're coming for training, that you magically forget your all your knowledge every 2 years, and the way you get that knowledge back is to pay $200, right? That doesn't sit well with me. I prefer the Scrum.org model, where once you've got a certification, you've got it, right? Like your driver's license or your university degree, you've got it, you've passed the bar. And then if you want to dive more deeply and increase your knowledge, there are other bars that you can also add to your story, but that's up to you, right? That's your choice. Whereas that idea that your knowledge is taken away and you have to recertify, that one's crap. And I feel like the investment that Scrum.org has made in the idea of community, that we are one group of trainers, that we collaborate, that we have shared courseware that we all contribute to. So if you take a class in Africa or China or Australia or the UK or the US, you're going to get a class that consists of the same fundamental ideas. It's going to consist of the same story, right? And that comes through the consistent courseware, the steward system. I have a steward system for managing that courseware, and the constant sharing that we do as a community. So, for example, a lot of we use Mural now in the virtual space, right? And Scrum.org provides standard murals that are as generic as possible. Like, they don't tell the trainer how to teach their class. They don't tell the trainer what to say, but here's a flow with the exercises and the knowledge that we want to share in it. And then I have my own version of the murals that I share back to the community, and my murals are more specific, right? I include liberating structures, training from some of the training from the back of the room content. I have created my own ways of telling stories, of doing exercises, and I create those murals and then I share them back to the PST community so other PSTs can leverage them, so that the greater the community as a whole, the more powerful it is in telling its story, right? If all the trainers are better, then the whole story is better. And I think that's really important. So it's that sense of community that I like. And I've been a PST for, let's have a look, 13 years. 13 years now. It was back in early in 2010 that I started this journey. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, follow and subscribe. I always reply to comments, and if you want to have a chat about this or anything else Agile, Scrum or DevOps, then please book a coffee with me through Naked Agility.